Hi everyone, this is Kibo Vlogs, a Filipino actor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad gawa natin yung reaction video. Ang Donbell compilation, sorry. So without further ado, let's start this reaction video. Agad-agad, atake tayo dito. Excited ako kasi kahapon, hindi ko pa ito masyadong nagawan, wala pa masyadong mga upload. So yeah, panoorin natin to. Ala, nakasanto si Donnie. Sino yung naka-black? Iba talaga, alam mo, iba talaga yung atake pag si Donnie nakasanto. Sa true lang. Basta iba si Donnie pag nakasando. Pag nakasando-santo siya, wala na. Tapos na ang laban. Ay. We belong together, always and forever. Call my name and every day, Tapos, masaya si Belinda. Ang ganda niya dyan. It's always the muscle. It's always the muscle talaga. Ay, si Donnie being big baby. Ang cute ng sayaw ni Donnie doon. In fairness. Halatang masaya talaga sila, no? Ini-enjoy talaga nila for today's video ang moments. The true lang. Walang etchos garbanzos, walang halong chemical, ini-enjoy talaga nila ang moment at walang makakapagpigil sa kanilang dalawa. So, ang tanong ng bayan at tanong ng buong bansa, saan dalahin? Yes! Saan siya dalahin, ma'am? Ganda naman ng edits na to. Andito ba si Belle? Asan si Belle? Ay, ano sila? Moment silang dalawa, oh. Moment talaga silang dalawa. Kala mo walang bukas. Go, sige. Sa Disneyland Hong Kong. Si Belle minsan may pagkaano na siya, no? Yung tipong, alam mo yung parang bumabagay na sa kanya yung mga music na mga sexy. Charis!
Will you miss working with Belle?
Oh yeah, 100%. The good thing is, it doesn't mean that just because we're not working with each other, we're not gonna talk anymore, we're not friends, you know. This is something that is already so deep, you know, the foundation me and Belle have. Yes, we're really gonna miss working with each other.
What's the one thing you would miss the most about working with Belle?
Just how much we eat on set. It's always a different cuisine. We eat everything.
Talaga?
Lechon, Japanese food, sisig, sinigang, kahit ano. Lahat. Minsan nga, magbubudol fight kami. Basta anything talaga.
And I get
Parang answered prayer talaga si Kuya Ay.
Yun din yung ginagawa natin, di ba?
Yeah.
Sobrang lalim na naging parang foundation namin ni Belinda kasi nag-start kami friends talaga. And I think that's why we really cherish what we have kasi at the end of the day, we've gone through so much talaga. We've gone through all the ups and downs, Vicey. Grabe yung parang roller coaster ride namin dalawa. And we're just really happy that I think this is the healthiest we're...
Alam mo, gusto ko din malaman kung kanino si Belle nagsiselos talaga. Sa palagay niyo.
Same tayo ng wavelength.
No?
Alam mo yun? Na parang...
Nagsiselos. Ay, minsan ganda mong yan. Magsiselos ka pa. Di ba?
He's also very
Kung sa bagay, daig na malalandi ang maganda. Trace lang.
Yeah, those are just some stuff that I really do appreciate about him. And he's a great partner, but other than being a great partner, he's a great best friend.
At this time when we've been married for like 32 years,
Ang ganda naman ang edits na to.
at home with him.
Ah.
And I like that because then
Kamukha
I
ni
can look
Donnie
forward
si
to many
Maricel
more
Lacsa,
years
no?
with him that he's my friend. I don't know about him? You have to ask him.
I'm gonna take a break and we'll see. But right now, I think that's why it's also very exciting, is because I haven't planned anything after this. I'm just open to seeing the possibilities. And I'm opening a couple of business ventures this year.
Oh, wow.
That's
okay.
for sure. And it's been in the works for so long. But obviously, my focus has been on this movie, on the last project. I'm for sure gonna put a lot more focus on that. Spending time with my family, my friends. I feel like I've missed out on so many things. But I mean, it comes with it, right? Babawi muna ako sa mga na-miss out kong oras. Yun muna yung gagawin ko.
Ay, babawi muna ako sa mga miss out ko. Okay. What's next? Ay, ito the chickanes. Ano yun? Dahil sa'yo, si Donnie Jungle siya sumasaya. Nakikita. Kita mo din sa mukha ni Donnie na happy siya actually. Look at that. Happy din siya. Ay! Ito talaga mga kanta-kanta na. I really love this song actually. He said, happy na.
Teka.
Ay, magkakautunan pa sila. Happy talaga sila. You cannot deny the fact. Happy talaga sila. Ay, mga hawak na may karapatan. Yan yun. Diba? Yan yun talaga. May hawak talaga ng may karapatan yun, ma'am. Mm. Look at that, having their own world. Having their own world for today's video. You can a photo that you can feel the happiness, you know, a photo that you can feel, should I say. Ay, paano kiligin ang tantahin? Bakit naman kinikilig ang mga tantahin? Totoo. Nung napanood ko yung vlog ni Bars, Diyos ko, ganyan na ganyan ako. Ganyan na ganyan ako nung napanood ko ang vlog ni Vice. Diyos ko, ako mag-isang ingay ko. Ay, hindi napanood natin to. Ay, ito, gusto ko to. Disneyland Hong Kong. Don Bell in Disneyland, Hong Kong Disneyland. Okay. Okay. Ay, hello. Hindi napanood natin yan. Ito yung hinihintay ko na gusto kong itong mapanood actually. Anyways, that's all for today's video. This is Kingdom of Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye.